Welcome to SavvaVerse. If you're having fun, please like and subscribe. Close your eyes. Spread your arms wide. You can fly. Look down. The trees look like tiny broccoli, and the cars look like little toys. These are your new friends, the geese. They fly together in a big letter V. Can you make a V with your arms?
Flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap.
Clouds feel like cool, misty air. Brr. And look over there, a rainbow. There's your cozy home down below. Hey everyone. Wave to everyone. Hello down there. Time to glide down. Slowly. Gently. Just like a falling leaf. Soft landing, toes on the grass. That was the best flying day ever. What should we imagine next time? See you soon, friend. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, friends. More Savv adventures are coming soon. Like and subscribe with a grown-up's help. Bye-bye.